Wise. No one is that cute. Can you dance for me? Smart choice. No one can dance like me. Are you interested in Askable? Are you dumb or just pretending?
Hi, we're Interactio. We're from Lithuania and we provide real human interpretation as well as AI translation in real time. We are a Lithuanian-based company. We've been working for 11 years already, and for any translation multilingual needs, we can support you. So just feel free to contact us at any time.
Speak in that. King Hang.
And then the one highlighted in black color is two notifications. Here we go, HYM in studio, hi art, high tech, high self. So explaining some AI how we do. We are journey the human AI company. So guys, stay हमारे साथ रहिए. जितना भी AI का हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं information, almost you guys will get some new ideas. ये एक दुनिया है जी अलग AI वर्ल्ड.
Congratulations. Thank you so much, judges. You've been absolutely sensational. And Mama Made, you are going on to the next stage, but it sounds like everyone's going to benefit from some fantastic mentoring from our amazing judges as well. So thank you all for adding that in as well. What an incredible session that was. Thank you so much. Wow. That's when you know you've kind of, the people here have chosen such a fantastic collection of startups that everybody wants to help them. And if you want to get involved, then please do get in contact with us. I think that the Innovation Factory has been absolutely excellent. There's been some friendships that have obviously started backstage and will continue.
So please.
Hi, we are from Ciro Voluntarios, Fundación Ciro Voluntarios, as Spanish NGO, and we are presenting Ciro Voluntarios Network. These are Global Alliance for Inclusive Adoption. We are trying to build this coalition with many partners all around the world, but especially now we are growing in Latin America. We're fighting against the digital divide. We want to bridge the digital divide, especially among the most vulnerable group, women, children, elderly people, people in rural areas. And that's the reason we are here. We are meeting, we are knowing a lot of people that are in the same goal for bridging the digital divide and making the people to use the technology efficiently to improve their lives.
Thank you, and please some.
Our goal is to reach 25 countries. Now we are starting in Latin America, so we need to do it even more beyond our limits because we want to help people to understand and use the technology for improve their lives, to empower with technology, to be they that take the technology for they and get better employments, for example. So we are doing that and we are here for that to help.
We have big goals, like we want to build citizen digital sovereignty all around the world. We think we can do it. We have a very big alliance, a strong alliance with many social entities, local governments, and all the people that want to join us.
Thank you very much.
Globe Ethics is an international NGO that specializes in creating frameworks, particularly for AI, but also working with different governments and organizations to help lead in responsible governance. Responsible governance can mean creating ethical leadership decisions that benefit not only society but can be sustainable and continue to help with economic growth. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yeah, please.
Hello, I'm Sarah Spiker from the World Association for Christian Communication. Christian is in our name because we were formed over 60 years ago by Christian broadcasters concerned about the impact of mass media and that's changed from TV and radio to a large part of digital channels. So we want to make sure that everyone, including the most vulnerable and marginalized populations, have access to affordable communication infrastructure, have the education to operate the infrastructure, can speak in their mother tongue, have their privacy respected, to not be subject to surveillance and censorship, and have pluralistic media. So this is what we work with. We work with communities, and we work here at WSIS to advocate for people.
About what you're doing here and...
So half the world doesn't have access to the internet, and the biggest reason is because big cell towers are just way too expensive and way too complicated to build. And so we're one of the only equipment manufacturers that has made cell towers affordable enough that the carriers can get to places that are not dense cities and build new networks. A lot of rural communities, a lot of disaster zones. This is an entire cell tower. It's the size of a lunchbox. It is less power than a light bulb and can connect about 1,000 people with a 1 or 2 mile range. And so a network of these covering a community is about 1% the cost of a traditional cell network. So yeah, we started deploying in December after being in R&D for like 6 years. And we're scaling up and working with all the big carriers all over the world.
Thanks a lot. And what is your... You can say something?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Sorry, head of sales. I mean, I guess at this point, you want to know? Is it good to talk about the conference? Okay, yeah. I mean, conference has been lovely so far. We've met a lot of great people working across both AI across the way, and then in our industry as well. People at the UN have been incredibly insightful, especially the sessions that they've been holding. So it's been a really good time so far. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, it is. I responded on your email. Next week we update.